I really want to show you how much this plant has grown in the last 2 weeks. Like, this was it before, like 2 weeks ago, and this is it today. I am so happy. This is one of the plants which is growing like really well. Like, look at the leaves. It has new growth coming in. So many clovers. I can't find a 4-leaf clover yet, but let's see if my luck lucks out. I wake up every morning, I water it every single day, and this is like the highlight of my day. This is a mini Q2 one, and this is a big Q2 one. Another plant which is growing really well is this Monstera. Like, look at it, it's just crawling up, and the pothos. And I found that Monsteras are really easy. They're the easiest plant. They're the very first plant that I actually bought, and ever since I found them to be really easy to grow. So they of course are my go-to every single time. Now let me show you another plant which I got. This is the new addition. I think it's almost been 2 weeks since I got this one, and this is also growing new leaves. Look at the color, it's so pretty. This is also an indoor plant, so it's been working really well. But this is a dramatic one. Every single time जब भी इसको पानी चाहिए होता है या फिर it's not doing right, it just really falls down. Like, all the leaves really fall down like this. I'll show you a picture if that happens soon, but literally like this. It's so dramatic, but I love the colors. I've never really seen sort of plant with such yellow dots with a green in them, so it's like really stands out. I'm planning to get more such plants for the outside balcony because it gets indirect sunlight, and these work really well. I have to get like big pothos and Monstera too, which I can just plant in water and keep it in corners like this one. I love it. I love being a plant farm so much. Rubber plant is not doing that well. I think 4-5 पौधे अभी तक मैंने मुझसे नहीं चले, and so these feel like a big victory. Also, the flowers for the week are lilies and small tulips. Spring. It's such a spring vibe. Yellow all around, yellow and green. And then there's my yellow Lego taxi. And the art books. This is like literally the favorite part of my whole house, is that this table. This is the only one setup. This is only one closer to my vision, to the aesthetics, everything that I wanted to do, and amazing. बहुत अच्छा लगता है इन books को देख करके, because इनकी वजह से मैं न्यूयॉर्क से, ये इतनी भारी है. Like, look at the thickness. Look at the thickness. इनकी वजह से मुझे इतना सारा सामान अपने लगेज से निकालना पड़ा था just to get them from New York. Such a sucker for nature, like, but I of course don't like hikes and stuff, so not that big of a sucker too, but I am a sucker for flowers and just like aesthetics and homely stuff overall. There's also that aloe vera. So yeah, this was pretty much my plants update and flowers and just what's happening in life. AQI is 99 today. That's crazy. Literally in March, it's gone back to normal. I think you guys have seen this room before in one of my vlogs, and today it's time that I turn it into a home studio. For context, my channel's name is Kanishka Porwal Art. I don't think so you've ever seen art here, where as in like me creating art, or like we have gone on many exhibitions to view like many things across. But the reason why it says art is because I used to be an artist. Or maybe I think I still am, but I've just not created in a long time, like at least 2 years. The last painting I created was this one, which was a shit rubbish, and I feel ashamed to show this, honestly. Before I moved to New York, and the reason why I actually started pursuing my art career, or I'm in it today, is because I had my own studio 1.5 years, no, sorry, in 2022 for a year and a half. And I absolutely failed at running it. I knew nothing about the art world, and I just started it because I wanted to make some side income. That really led me to where I am today. So kind of failed at it, but kind of also win-win. It's really time that I start creating again, because I have a lot of ideas in my head. I've seen how it's done all across the world, and I feel like there's really big potential for me. So I of course want to give it a try no matter what. I have procrastinated a lot to set up this room and just start painting or just like start creating shit. जो कहते हैं ना कि कुछ शुरू करने में बहुत डर लगता है, like a blank canvas is always that for me. There's just so many thoughts कि खराब हो जाएगा, बिगड़ जाएगा, पैसे खराब हो जाएंगे, पेंट खराब हो जाएगा, just like absolutely rubbish. Thoughts many times which doesn't really matter. सब कुछ set up है, ठीक है. These are the canvases that I had created almost 3 years ago. All of these cupboards, let me open and show them to you, are filled with art supplies and canvases. So it's just that I'm the one lacking here and I just have to start creating. Let's first and foremost clean the shit up. I have like this poly sheet which I really want to put on the wall so that when I paint and paint gets everywhere. I live in a rented apartment, so I don't really want to ruin it. So unique, no? I worked on this idea of shaped canvases. So मुझे लगता था कि ये unique होगा and everything, but a lot of people use them. A lot of artists explore them. This is another such work. Very pretty. Okay, my bag needs to be straight. अभी कम दर्द है नहीं तो वैसे बैक में धोनी पड़ेगी. This is a 10 by 12 feet poly sheet if anybody wants to get one. I didn't know that these existed. काफ़ी आसान काम हो जाएगा. And I think ये 10 by 21 feet है. I'll add a link here somewhere or in the description. I have a feeling that I have to cut this in 3 parts or 2 parts. Okay, don't fall. Very nice, thank you very much. ये स्टेट से तो नहीं चिपक रहा है. That was not pleasant. मास्किंग टेप से बेटर मुझे एक और टेप मिली है, ये ट्राई करते हैं. बट मैं सोच रही थी कि क्या मुझे कील लगानी थी, लाइक शुड आई जस्ट स्क्रू इट अप. बट मेरे पास कीलें हैं नहीं अभी छोटी वाली. तो टेम्परेरीली मैं ये लगाती हूँ, फिर मैं कीले लेके आती हूँ, फिर मैं कीले लगाऊंगी. डबल मेहनत करना बहुत पसंद है मुझे. My camera decided to not hit record, but I have stuck it to the floor and ऊपर भी मैंने पूरा चिपका दिया है with this coming out like this. This is a temporary fix. I hope it doesn't ruin the walls, but looks good. This is going to be my palette. Setting this up really took a lot of time. I was not expecting that. Now I'm going to go get ready. I'll show you which painting I want to start and where I want to place it. And we also have to cut canvases and everything. So let's start with that. The painting I want to start creating and making is for this wall here. I have an idea what is going to go on all the other walls, but यहाँ पे I want a painting which I make myself and it's going to be a abstract piece. मैंने अपना आर्ट स्टाइल अभी तक डिसाइड नहीं किया है. बहुत सारे आर्टिस्ट एक सर्टेन तरीके का स्टाइल फॉलो करते हैं. काम देख के पता चल जाता है इफ इट्स एमएफ हुसैन और इफ इट्स एस एच रजा. और आई फील लाइक इस स्पेस में कुछ एब्स्ट्रैक्ट ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा विद एवरीथिंग एल्स दैट आई एम गोना पुट टुगेदर. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी द स्टार्ट ऑफ मी क्यूरेटिंग आर्ट फॉर माई स्पेस और लाइक माई होम. सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ बिग वर्क ऑफ कोर्स एंड आई एम गोना गेट इट stretched later. But essentially, it's going to be a rectangular painting. I think it's going to be at least 4 feet in height and at least 3 feet in width. Now let's go back to the studio and oh wow, it feels so weird to say studio and actually start. मोर सुनाई दे रहा है. I have to first cut the canvas. I've not bought anything new. This is all of my stock from my studio. So I'm gonna start with a base layer which is going to be a wash. बहुत सारे पेंट्स तो सूख गए होंगे इनमें से. I don't even know which ones. Oh wow! Even after 2 years, it's like not even 2, almost 3 years. It's like still wet. So this is basically called something as underpainting because white पे आपके true color values निकल के नहीं आते. So it's better that you add some sort of a color to your base layer and then start painting over it. Now you see, it doesn't have to be perfect. It can be a mess. You can just play around and the sheet helps because the paint started dripping. Wow, I look like such a professional artist in paper. But I want to show you कि मैं कौन सी image बनाना चाहती हूँ इस canvas पे and where I'm getting my inspiration from. I was scrolling my camera roll like a few days ago just to find inspiration and see that, okay, what do I want to create? How do I want to start? What do I want to explore and everything? See, because I don't have anything set in place. I just know that all I want to do is create. All I want to do is paint. Not also paint, but paint is sort of a medium, or painting is one form or medium where I feel really familiar. But अगर नहीं होता है, like I love making things out of clay. I love using textures, putty, all those kind of things. But I don't know, for some reason, colors, this just something I know that it's for me. But what kind of style, what kind of artistic style, how much time do I have to create and everything? That is what I'm going to explore on the way. But along the way, but at least for me, if I start making good work and I start giving me emotional support, that's my goal. So I do have a series in mind, which I'm going to start working on. And this is part of that series. So this image, I'm going to insert the image. I don't think so you can see it with the exposure right now. This is the view from Little Island of World Trade Center, just overlooking the shore. This was one of the best images which I've captured. I really want to recreate this. I think this picture means a bit to me. I, of course, can't make it just like a photograph. I'm not that talented. I'm not a hyper realistic artist either. It's going to be very abstract expressionism, which is more my style. Abstract is what I can create, and more than what you create, it's about um, conveying the feeling. This is what I'm going to start with, but I'm going to let the first layer dry. पेंटिंग थोड़ी सी सीधी टेढ़ी लगी है. I'm gonna let it dry and then कल हम वापस आएंगे. One important thing which I've learned working in the industry is that बहुत सारी mishaps होते हैं जहाँ पे after a time like let's say 5 years, 10 years, art is of course a asset you grow with, right? It's an investment piece that's going to grow in value after 40 years, 50 years as you grow old. So you as an artist need to create a work which also lasts that long. Which means that of course थोड़ा बहुत cracks आएगा, पेंटिंग ख़राब होगी, कलर वैनिश हो जाएगा, होता है सारी चीज़ें. पर एक चीज़ है कि जब भी आर्टिस्ट, मैं तारक मेहता बंद करके आई, एक चीज़ होती है कि जब भी आर्टिस्ट टाइम नहीं देते अपनी पेंटिंग में लेयर्स को ड्राई होने का, नीचे वाली लेयर गीली होती है और आप ऊपर एक और लेयर कर देते हो पेंट की, तो क्रैक्स अपीयर होना स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. डिपेंड करता है, अगर ऑयल है तो क्रैक्स इट टेक्स टाइम टू ड्राई. इफ इट्स एक्रेलिक इट ड्राइज विद इन अ फ्यू आवर्स एंड यू कैन जस्ट डू द लेयर अगेन. That is why of course painting does take time, but I'll say that you invest that time if you're serious about it, and if you want people to collect your art, or you just want to have that piece sit with you for years and just look new, then that's the key, to let the layers dry. And layers, and it's a non-negotiable. Jitni patient मैं हूँ, regardless I have to try to control that eagerness and let each layer dry so that the works are of high quality. I'm gonna stop here with this one and I'm gonna come back tomorrow evening, because of course that's the only time I'm gonna let the layer dry, and I'm just gonna go and watch a movie now. I'm tired. I've been doing this for the whole day. With that said, how do I feel? Like कोई भी अगर मेरा दोस्त होता जो कि सामने खड़ा होता and would have seen me painting, and of course would have asked that how does it feel to paint after a long time, or just like have a way of expressing yourself. I don't know. Nothing right now. Like I don't feel too excited. At the same time, I don't feel low. And this is me being completely honest now. This might not be the answer you were expecting out of me. I don't know. I feel like I'm just coming back to something I'm familiar with. It doesn't feel like I ever left. Like I didn't know how to pick up a paintbrush, or I didn't know how to put a canvas together, or it feels homely. I'm more scared in a sense, kahin na kahin, ki what if I'm not that talented and paintings अच्छे से नहीं निकल के आ रही है, and I personally want my works to be aesthetic. And what if I'm not able to create like pretty works, or like that's sort of my long-term worry, which I kind of have to let go of. I can't think that मैं अच्छा काम बनाऊँ, सुंदर काम बनाऊँ, and अगर कोई काम ऐसा बन रहा है जो कि like it's fulfilling my soul, or is really an expression of what I'm doing and something I want to achieve, but it's ugly at the end of the day, I have to completely find it pretty and beautiful. Because how do I explain it, that I have to like alter my thinking according to that and change my perspective towards it. But for the first day, at least it's a win that I started. I've been procrastinating this for the longest time, as long as I've come here, and I only get one leave a day, a week. So it's like sort of a battle that मैं studio setup करूँ या फिर मैं खाने पीने जाऊँ और मैं बस chill करूँ. But I'm glad I took the time out today. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'm sure you will stay with me to see how this turns out. Leave the feedback in the comments and stay in touch with me. I am trying to be more consistent and not miss out on my upload dates, which I did actually. I took a break for a week, but this week I'm going to start again and you're going to see more of me. Please do like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.